Hi, lovelies. Good morning. Welcome back to Bright Start Education Hub. I want to believe that we are all doing amazing. I know you've been wondering why Miss Angela have not been coming online, but today is Monday and we are definitely going to do our live section today. So let's quickly look at A and E, the sound they make, and a lot of things about them. So A and E says A. This is a long sound, long vowel sound. It can equally be called a split diagram. So A and E says a long A sound, when the letter A is followed by a consonant and have an E. The A makes a long sound. But here, there are some words that are exceptional. Likewise, when I and E is working together, there are some words that are exceptional. Have is an exceptional word because it says the short A sound instead of the long A sound, making E silent. Okay, here we are going to blend most of our words. First word is have. We know that have didn't follow the English rule, rather it broke the English rule, but they are still our best friends, our best words. Have, making E silent, making a short A sound instead of a long A sound. But let's explore more words. Gave, gave. From this word, E is silent and we heard the A sound instead of the A sound. This is a long A sound. Gave, gave. Save, save. Save, save. Cave, cave. Cave, cave. Remember, whenever words are followed by a vowel and ends with E, it seems to change the sound to a long A sound and keep the E silent. Whenever you see A and E working together, remember they make the sound A instead of K, A, V, E. No, doesn't make sense. Okay, they work as best friends, so the words will make sounds that are correct, have correct meanings. Cake, 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 bake, 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 take, 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 cape, 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 cape. All these words make the long A sound, keeping E silent. T, ape, tape, t, ape, tape. Aim, name. My name is Miss Angela. What's your name? Aim, name. Flame, 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 flame. Let's look at some other tricky words with a sound. Some of them might trick you. They are not really for early learners, probably for year one and two, but it will not trick us because now we know that A and E is the sound A. Let's try to blend these words out. Pave, and pavement. From this first syllable, here pave, we already know that it is pave. Then the end was not difficult to blend. First, we decode our words, we break them down, and then we pronounce them correctly. Pavement, pavement, inhale, inhale, behavior, behavior, behavior. And lastly, scrap, scrap, no, scrape, scrape, amazing. That'll be all for today, lovely. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.